Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ezra Sendria with my student ID is 22060555422 from Meta Numerical Method 2 class. I'm here to explain the quiz question regarding um, the explanation of nature. For me, nature, it means the physical world around us, including like plants, animals, the landscape, mountains, and river, is everything all around us that is natural. It's called nature. Um, but nature is also a source of wisdom and fundamental aspect of existence that transcends the mere physical components. It is viewed as a harmonious and interconnected system where every element has a purpose and contributes to the balance of life. Nature is often seen as a teacher, offering lessons in resilience, adaptability, and the interconnectedness of all the living things. It symbolizes the purity, simplicity, and essence of being, encouraging a deeper connection with the self of the universe. Um, and in religion also, it teaches us to live and love nature, and we as human beings have to, as a humankind, have to um, learn to live side by side with nature, because um, it only can benefit us, you know, from the sustainability that nature provide us. If there's nothing the nature can um, help us with, we we will be gone for the next couple years, you know. And uh, nature also given us materials and food, everything that we can live for is provided by nature. But if we take advantage of that and abuse nature, it will no longer provide us and make our children suffer, and generation from now, they will suffer because we have destroyed the nature around us. So my point is, as an engineering student, yes, um, we harvest nature to build a society and make it grow, but we also have to learn to coexist with nature and use ways that didn't destroy nature. That's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.